If you are looking for the best countertop microwave, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Panasonic Microwave Oven NN-SD372S Stainless Steel Countertop. Thanks to its sleek stainless steel exterior, this Panasonic microwave oven will be a beautiful addition to your countertop. And as if microwaving meals wasn't fast enough already, you'll love that this champ can take on defrosting ground meat, cooking a frozen pizza, or baking potatoes in almost no time at all. This countertop microwave with 11 1/4 inch turntable is thinner, lighter, and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Number 2. Toshiba EM131A5C-BS Microwave Oven with Smart Sensor. This mid-sized microwave is designed for stealthy snacking even if your roommate is a light sleeper. With 1.2 cubic feet of space and 1100 watts, it is perfectly situated to cook everything on the university diet. While this Toshiba may take up more counter space than some smaller options, it's a better option for those who rely heavily on microwaves compared to a less powerful space saver. This microwave oven features sensor function that takes the guesswork out of cooking. Built-in sensor constantly detects the humidity level of the food during cooking, then automatically adjusts time and temperature for optimal results. Number 3. Daewoo KOR7L-REM Retro Countertop Microwave Oven. Not only is this microwave small enough to fit a small kit or dorm, it adds a decorative element and fun color to a space that might have any room for pieces that are purely decorative. This has the all-important popcorn button as well as a defrost button, and you can select auto-cook presets numbered from 1 to 5 for beverages, soup, baked potato, fresh vegetables, or frozen vegetables. The 10-inch turntable is large enough for your dinner or a casserole dish. Number 4. Amazon Basics Microwave. For years, there wasn't much innovation in microwave technology. That is, up until Amazon introduced its own Amazon Basics microwave that works with Alexa. Now you can use your voice to command your appliance to heat foods, and the built-in tech will know exactly how long and at what power level to use. It's also the most affordable microwave you can buy. Perhaps best of all, it can also reorder popcorn automatically using Amazon Dash replenishment. Just keep in mind that you'll need your own Amazon Echo device to perform voice commands. Number 5. GE JES2251SJ Countertop Microwave. In addition to being child-proof, this GE microwave is completely family-friendly with easy-to-use buttons and 1200 watts of power. Thanks to its 0.2 cubic foot interior, it can fit an entire casserole, a mountain of pizza bites, or a family-sized bag of popcorn. Because of the high wattage, it will cook food much more quickly than a lower watt microwave, so you may have to use shorter times than you normally would if you happen to be upgrading. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.